Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create multiple Gmail accounts without phone verification. Very easy, very simple guys. First thing you want to do, you want to come over here and you want to log in with your current Gmail account that you have. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner at the three dots and I want you to simply clear your browsing data. Do you see over here there is a section that is called clear browsing data. What this will actually do, this will unlink any information, previous search queries, previous account creation, passwords, usernames with your current Gmail account. After you do that, remember, each new Gmail account can create up to 5 Gmail accounts without phone verification. So this means that with your current Gmail account, you probably could create 1, 2, or 3 because you probably already created some. Your goal is to create at least one new Gmail account without the need of phone verification. This is why we clear the browsing data. Now you want to create one new Gmail account. After you create the one new Gmail account, you want to again go down and clear your browsing data. Then you're gonna be able to create 5 new Gmails with your new Gmail account. What you're gonna do, you're gonna use the first new Gmail account that you created out of these 5. You're gonna create 5 new, then you're gonna clean again the browsing data and you're gonna use the second one, and you can rinse and repeat the process all over again. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.